Is AI coming for your job? Or maybe it's already taken it. Jiminy Cricket, it's like 22 to 24 days into January, and we already have 3,800 layoffs. I've been laid off, you've probably been laid off, but 3,800 people definitely have been laid off. And the people that have been laid off come from pretty technologically driven jobs such as SaaS and gaming, both industries which have been booming. And these are the same companies that saw a big boom in the pandemic. So a lot of us in the industry have been asking, what the hell's been going on? Because honestly, it's a horrible time to be making software, making games, making anything. At least that's the way it seems. Last year, we did see a lot of layoffs, taking out a lot of people, almost weekly. Last year, after it was all said and done, 6,000 jobs were cut. Developers, publishers, writers, all sorts of people into the field. And already this January, we're outpacing that at record lengths. And most people are speculating, is it AI that's coming for your job? A lot of people are saying with the embracing of AI, we see these large tech companies, small companies, well, anyone with a company their work landscape forever. And yeah, that does include the employees that used to run it. Google, Amazon, BlackRock, you name it, there have been massive layoff cuts. Back in July, Forbes did report that 300 million jobs were at stake because of AI. And if we break it down, that's about 9.1 of the jobs overall. AI will take your job, and most likely it's already taken a job of someone you know. But with new technology does come a new swath of jobs. Technology has always promised to do that. With the printing press, with the cotton gin, with the internet, humans have always been the tool makers, the tool users, and the tool editors. And yeah, changes can be disruptive, and some are saying they might be too disruptive. It's happening too fast. It's reshaping purchasing power, our economy, and as we started at the top, a shit ton of jobs. And about a year and a half ago, I did make a video saying AI is not coming for your job, yet. Yet is here. As of recording this, 3,892 people have been let go just in January alone. And it's not just because of AI, but it's definitely not helping. While each industry keeps growing and getting more profits and adapting AI to this tool belt that they're using, it's also becoming more expensive to operate. And I think gaming is a really good example of an industry doing this. In 2021 alone, it made $180 billion, and it was swathed to continue growing at that rate. So what happened? Corporate greed, industry consolidation, poor leadership, bad hiring, just bad practices all around from the top. And if you're in business, you've probably heard the phrase, the fish stinks from the head down. That's what's happening here. It's not the developers, it's not the publisher, it's not the copywriters, it's not the data processors. They didn't make a mistake here. It's the head rotting at the top. It's the corporate greed. It's those people who don't know how to wield AI as a proper tool. And as I'm scrolling through this really long list of companies that have laid off a bunch of workers, fuck, this is so many people. At some point, we're gonna ask ourselves, when can AI start replacing CEOs? Anyway, that's it. Bye.